Hi guys, this is Jackson here, and today we are going to unbox the Casio G-Shock 2100. So this is the famous Casio G-Shock model, also known as the Casio Oak. So there are multiple variants currently available on the Casio website. I have ordered this from Amazon for around 7,400 something. So without wasting any time, let's open the box. So as you see here, the first thing that I get here is the Casio celebrating 25 years anniversary card. Okay, so they as you see here, they are giving an extended 6 months additional warranty on this purchase because of their 25 years anniversary. Other than that, what we have here is a 2 years warranty on this. So we are getting a 2 years warranty plus 6 month additional warranty on registering the watch online. So next what we have here is the big and thick instruction manual for the watch. I'm not sure if this is a specific instruction manual, or is it a common manual which is given for all the models. Okay, some sections I think this might be specific to the GA 2100 and related models, because it is showing the similar dial here. So I'll read this in the possible time. Okay, so this, they also have this G-Shock international warranty card which they have given. It's a thinking kind of an ATM card like feeling. Okay, and also the warranty regulations booklet. So this is a 2 years international warranty. So if you are planning to use it outside of the country where you purchased it, even there it might be useful. Okay, so this is the tag that they have added. So this shows the price as 8,295, but on Amazon as well as their own website, Casio India shop website, it is less than that. It's around 7,400. Okay, so this is the G-Shock octagonal box, metal box that you got. Very good looking box. Looks very nice. Okay. So this is the GA 2100 1A1 DR model. So this is the complete black model. It also there is also another variant of this watch available that has the uh, hour indicators in white, but I selected this specific model. This looks actually even more beautiful than what it looked on the website. Like, it's very completely the design is matte and the dial has a very premium finishing. I just can't describe this in words. This is one of my first G-Shock watches. I've never worn a G-Shock watch before, but I'm completely happy about this. Okay, so it has a illuminator function as well, so which lights up the dial. If we talk about the size of the watch, this is a very thin watch compared to the other G-Shock models which are very huge in size. I have a normally very thin wrist, if you see, so I normally don't prefer G-Shock watch because of the size of the watches. They look very huge on my wrist, but if you see here, this watch like fits completely perfect on my wrist. So if it fits my wrist, I think it will fit on a person whose wrist is very thin. So this is a very one of the very rare G-Shock watches that has so small foot size. If you see, the even the height of the watch is around 1 centimeter. That's max to max, and the entire dial size is around 42 millimeter, I guess. I'll just wear it and show you. Okay, so this is how it looks on my wrist. So if you are able to see, my wrist is very thin, but this fits very perfectly on the wrist. Also, this gives the uh, AP Royal Oak kind of look. So I hope this review will be helpful for you. Also, I'll be adding a link to the Amazon website where you can purchase this product. Thanks for watching and have a good day.